transgression is forgiven, whose sin is covered by the grace of heaven.
Lord, light is found within his spirit now, before the throne of mercy he does bow.
Blessed are we, forgiven and free. The Lord has covered iniquity. Joys the rural heart that the Lord does not condemn. Rejoice in the Lord, all you righteous women and men. When we kept silent, our bones wasted away, and groaning filled my soul throughout the day.
Your hand was heavy, pressing on our souls, but in confession you have made us whole.
Blessed are you, forgiven and free. The Lord has covered iniquity. Joy for the heart that the Lord does not condemn. Rejoice in the Lord, all you righteous women and men. You are our hiding place, the Lord our God, protecting us from the path we've trod.
You surround us with songs of deliverance, guiding our steps with your holy presence.
I will instruct you, says the Lord.